Hello everyone, this is Dead Kennedy in Space here. I just wanted to make a quick note before we actually get into today's video because I edited most of today's video before this morning. And this morning, that is the morning of the 13th of February, Bob the Science Guy he mirrored my video and talked me up and shouted me out and recommended some people come to my channel. And since 7 a.m., my sub count has damn near tripled. It's incredible. It's unbelievable how many people are watching and enjoying now, and I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad people are watching. I'm gonna keep doing what I've been doing. I have no kind of set schedule for releasing videos. I basically just I make and edit them as I think them up, but thankfully I think pretty fast, so usually I've got a backlog of ideas I want to do, like I do right now. And basically that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to say thank you so much everyone for subscribing. A big welcome to all the new subscribers. A huge thank you to Bob the Science Guy. And with that, let's get on with today's video. See you over the curve, Space Cowboys. Let's have a hypothetical conversation with a flat earther. Oh, it's you. Why is it always you? Okay, so when you drop something to the floor, why does it fall? Because it's more dense than the air. But why does it fall down instead of up? Because it's not more buoyant than the air. This is circular reasoning. What we understand on Earth is absolute definitions of up and down. Up meaning out of a gravity well to a higher potential energy, or down into a gravity well to a lower potential energy. You cannot use these definitions because you do not believe in gravity. You cannot explain how or why these things settle without using gravity, or a gravity substitute. You need a force to move them up or down. Here's an example of how this argument ends up going in the real world.
Yes. Yeah, the shaded blue water.
Are we done with autism yet? Can we?
I'm saying this is something you can test yourself.
No, I don't deny it. The other chatters are being autistic. Okay, can we go back to the gravity thing, okay?
Yes.
So you don't believe in gravity. So let's start with this right here. Tell me why you don't believe in gravity.
Because you can't prove it to me. It's a faith-based thing.
Okay, so explain to me.
You say you can prove it to me, but prove it to me.
When you say it to me, when you drop something on the floor, what explains that thing sinking to the floor? Can you explain?
It's more dense than the air.
Okay, but why does it go down instead of up?
Because it's not more buoyant than the air.
No. But when you talk, stop. So what but you cannot use these definitions because you do not believe in gravity. So I'm asking you, if you have dense objects around each other, the dense objects will settle with the most dense objects being at the bottom because the amount of matter or whatever in those objects is being attracted to the whatever planetary body they're on Earth, right? So I want you to explain how these things settle. You don't believe in gravity.
Density and buoyancy. Like I want something that proves there's another force.
But your density, you can't explain to me why things go down instead of up with density and buoyancy.
I don't have to explain it.
Why not?
Prove gravity to
but
me,
you don't
so
have an no, because I can tell you that gravity explains all of these phenomenon, but to you these are phenomena.
You have to prove gravity first.
No, you don't. What I'm asking you is, why do more dense objects settle instead of go up? Can you answer that question?
I can answer it in a way I understand it, but I don't think we're gonna
What
get
is the way? No. Tell me the
anywhere
way
with
that
this.
you understand it. If you're using logic and
Because
rational.
they're more dense than the medium around
Okay,
them, which
finish
is
the
the air.
whole sentence. Because they are more dense than the
They
medium
sink
around
to the
them.
bottom.
Sink to the bottom. What is bottom? Define bottom. What does that mean?
Opposite of upwards.
I don't understand how we're getting caught up on this.
No. We're not getting caught up. I'm asking you to finish your definition. What is bottom? What is a bottom to you? In our current understanding of physics, a bottom is going down in a gravity well. An up is escaping a gravity well, but you do not believe in gravity. So what is a bottom to you?
Here's another thing I need to point out, because it never comes up in this actual debate. Take a look at this, my friends. This is the equation for buoyancy, where FB is the buoyant force, PF is the density of the displaced fluid, Vf is the volume of the displaced fluid, and g is the acceleration due to...
Gravity, you fucking retard!
What's another word flatards use that we can relate back to the globe? How about horizon? Horizon comes from a Greek word meaning limiting circle, meaning to imply the limited circle of vision we have of the land and the sky. In astronomy, the definition specifically refers to the visible circle of the celestial sphere. Again, a sphere is not something flatties believe in. How about atmosphere? This word comes from two Greek words, atmos, meaning vapor, and sphera, meaning ball or globe. It literally means the vapors of the globe. This is another word flatties shouldn't be allowed to use. All of these debates end up being completely circular. Basic words debunk flat Earth, because our entire language, our entire world of observation surrounding our Earth, is dependent on either a globe, or at the very least, gravity.
Gravity! Have you ever heard of fucking gravity?
Flat Earthers can't determine why things drop without creating an imaginary force that pushes them down toward the Earth. In reality, we have a name for this force.
Gravity! Gravity!
Everything points to the globe, including words themselves. My next target, just to keep everyone informed, is going to be Phuket word. I promised a fan. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you like this video, like it. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, which is Dead Kennedy in Space. Thank you, and I'm out.
Over the next hill, beyond the horizon.
Find your place in space. Space is vast and unexplored. There's a lot of work to do.